welcome to my channel. Today we are gonna be exploring this beautiful garden of pitcherka. Pitcherka is like one type of veggie that is very bitter, but when we cut it and we can make poriyal, we can make different things with it. So today I'm gonna be explaining how these plants grow. This plant is actually without the help of a stick. So these are not formed like its own way because under there are sticks. It's a climber, so it will climb up all these sticks. If we don't put a stick, it will only do at the ground. Wow, here's a nice one. I found one. Found a good one. Yeah, it's big. Like this, some are going in the ground, some are going here and there like that. Wow. Here, this is a bad one. It's at the last stage. Cool. Here's one again. Baby. Let's see if we can find one big one. Give you guys a tour of this place. First, it looks very thick, but under is just like a house. There's so much space under. Here, there is one pipe. How it will get watered, and it's there are so many. It is very long. Here is one pitcherka, which is getting watered by that pipe. You cannot see it that much, but it's a pipe which waters all the plants here. From this thing, everywhere water will come to water the plant. So let me explain how this pitcherka grows. This is a bud, then flower, then here is the veggie. So the bud, the flower here. This is the flower, and here it's coming little, but this is the flower. Then here is the pitcherka. Like this it will come. This is the stage after. Here the top will be flower, then it will grow like this. Then it will be. It's very nice. Here there are many. Here's a little door. We can go in. Let's go in slowly. Oh, yeah, I made it in. Looks very cool inside. Some are secretly glowing inside, but inside the things are very healthy. But in the outside, it's not healthy because there will be so much sunlight. In the inside, it will get the sunlight it needs, and it will grow very nice. So let's just look around if we can see a big pitcherka. Let's go. Let's go. In between this and this crop. Wow, here's a big one here. Ah, there's a big one. Let's slowly. Yay! It's the orange. It's in the final stage. It's this color. Wow, I see one good. Let me go in and take that one and be back. Guys, come here. I saw one good one inside, so I'm gonna go in. Here's a secret door. Slowly, let's enter. I'm slowly getting in. I am very small. Very small. I'm going in. Hey, I found one. Hey. Guys, I'm inside. I found this big one. It's almost gonna be end, but it's green here and it's this yellow color here, so it's almost gonna die. I'm slowly getting out. I hope there's no snakes inside. I am terrified of snakes and bugs, but I like. Wow, this is very nice. You guys have been wondering. This is actually it is. Some of them are rotten. There are so many tunnels. This is a secret tunnel. No one can come in this. Actually, I gotta come in through lot of holes like those. I just gotta go into holes and come out. It's very hard. There's one thing. I don't think so many people will come here because see, everything here is at the last stage. I don't know if you guys can see, but obviously all of these are in the last stage. So I'm just gonna be walking here and like this. Through a hole like this I came in and out like this hole. That's a secret to grow. Some of them don't grow on sticks, some will start to grow in. There's one. My mother is there. And here's one. I think I heard something. Here, there's one. And I think let's go. Wow, there's thing to stand here. Ha, stand. Whee! Wow, I was big, guys. Okay, let me just do the stand again. Stand here. Stand it here. Wow, you guys can see it's taller than me. Even when I stand up, it's very tall. So it's it'll grow very high. Not like it can grow along the stick. It can grow very, very high. It's very high. I'm even standing on something extra, but it's still high than me. So first the stem will be like this. This is a type of leaf. Then this type line thing will come. It's actually after they grow, it will be like this one slowly. It's just like a tie. After that, here little this is actually a bud. It will come at a bud. Then it will slowly start to grow like this. Here is the bud. This is the bud. Here is a flower. This is flower. Then the flower will be like this thing behind. Then it will come like this. Like this. The flower will start to get bad. Then this thing will grow. Like this, after some time the flower will disappear. Then it will start growing. There is a short form for this. This BFV. But flower vegetable. So short form for this is BFV. But flower and vegetable. It will take a long time, but if you plant so many, it's actually good for a sugar patient. Mostly it is very bitter for people who like sugar, but the persons who are like sugar patients and all will eat it raw. If you are not a sugar patient, don't worry, we can just cook it and eat, no problem. But a sugar patient can eat it raw because it will be yummy for them. We like sweets and sugar patients will like bitter things, bitter or sour. These are different types. They put sticks there and there. Looks very cool. I like being under here. Wow. It's just like a hammock. Yeah, just like a hammock. That's what it looks like at the top. This is how it looks under. My sister is going in. Yeah, this is how it looks. Hi. This manure. It is the key to grow good crops. We need to put this under the roots. We need to put it on top. This is natural manure. This is actually a natural fertilizer used for making crops grow big and good. Every farm needs to have manure. It is the key to make very good fruits and vegetables. Animal waste. This is cow animal waste. It's natural. After this dry, it changes into manure, which is used to this fertilizer is not at all. It's not harmful for plants and all. It's good for soil. If we mix it with soil, soil will be nice and it will be 100% full of things that these plants need to grow. So with the help of this natural fertilizer, we can make plants grow very well. These plants, it is not at all poison. It's a 100% organic plants. If you use different, that is not natural fertilizers, or the plants will, when we eat. This plant is actually a climber. See what did to this date plant. What this date plant did? It's just climbing on the date plant because it gives it support to grow. So it's growing on there. Here are twins hugging. They both are hugging each other. See, just like a bridge for bugs. Bow shape. Looks like a bow. This plant and this plant hugging or holding hands. There's a sheep. After this picture farm, there are sheep farms there. That's why sound is coming. These rows are actually very nice. Some are starting to die, but some are still there. Some are starting to die now because it's summer. Species are different types. They put sticks there and there. Luna crops. Looks very cool. I like being under here. Wow. It's just like a hammock. Yeah, slowly. Just like a hammock. Hope you guys like this video of exploring this big farm. There is so many things here. Like this is there is this farm different. The one farm there are so many crops. Now it's summer. Some of these plants are dying, but some are staying. So like this, see, some leaves will go bad, some leaves will stay. Hope you guys like this video of exploring this wonderful garden. See you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.